guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the UNC Air Jordan 6s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the Air Jordan 6 Retros in the University Blue, White, Black colorway, or these are lovingly dubbed the UNC 6s. And we got these in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's a men's US 8.5. And we'll start with the box. So if you can't tell what color these sneakers are gonna be, the box is a dead giveaway. You've got the North Carolina blue, Michael Jordan's alma mater. So it's all around here, there. And once we get boxed in, here it is. Quick little roundup for those people that don't know who Michael Jordan is. Well, he's probably one of the greatest basketball players of all time, and he went to the University of North Carolina, and their collegiate colorways are this baby blue. Obviously, Jordan, when you think of a Jordan sneaker, you think of black and red because he played for the Chicago Bulls. However, his college years, he wore UNC blue, which is this baby blue, and Air Jordan do a lot of sneakers in this University Carolina blue colorway. Before we delve into all the nitty gritty on the upper of the sneaker, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is your typical standard Air Jordan 6 rubber outsole with the icy blue finish. If you want that vintage look, keep wearing it because this icy blue is gonna yellow the more times you wear it, or even when you don't. I've seen people with the Air Jordan 11s, it just yellows over time when they don't even wear it. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is an polyurethane all around. You got two air units, so you can see the visible air unit at the back here through the little window, and there's an encapsulated air unit in the forefoot as well. Moving along onto the upper. So this upper is made out of different cuts of levers. So you've got under white overlays that you can see all around the sneaker. That's your standard levers. And just on the underlay where you can obviously see that UNC blue all around. That's the nubuck cuts. Looking at the tongue, so it's your typical Air Jordan 6s, and you got this little cover here with the Jumpman logo in that blue colorway. And if you want to redo the laces, you can undo the little button here, so you can get rid of it and redo your lacing if you want. Like all Air Jordan 6s, you get the lace lock here. It does get in your way, but I'll try and show you guys that you can put it on with it on when I do the on feet. The rubber Air Jordan 6 tongue. So in this case, if you're big fans of the Air Jordan 7, you can see kind of some resemblances. So the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux's that came out before these, those were inspired by Air Jordan 7s, the Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux, and you can see the typical Air Jordan 7 tongue, like that patterning you usually see on that tongue. You can see at the back here, and obviously because the rubber here is translucent, you can see through and see that design there also. When I'm talking about the Air Jordan 7, this kind of reminds me of the French blue colorways of the Air Jordan 7s. That tongue color is as well, it reminds me of that Air Jordan 7 French blue. So I don't know why Jordan brand are working kind of backwards, because the 7s were released, well, the 6s obviously were released before the 7s, but I think they're just taking inspiration from what they know, so who am I to blame them? They still sell out. These sneakers sold out. Moving along onto this uppers again, so you look at the ankle support, very nicely padded. You got these two big lumps that you usually see on the Air Jordan 6. Can't see it now, but we'll show you with the lights on. 3M on the perforations, very reflective. Like all Air Jordan 6s, you can see the shininess here, all around in the perforations. The back, So at the heel, you got like all Air Jordan 6s, you got the spoiler. Obviously this was inspired from Michael Jordan's Porsche, and you'll see that Michael Jordan incorporates a lot of his love for cars he puts into his sneakers, so you can see that more prevalent in the Air Jordan 14, where that is like a Ferrari. And another part from the back that is a bit different. So if you're familiar with other collegiate Air Jordan 6's colorways, so you had it in the Michigan 5s and in the UNC blue 4s, they all had this patch. And this patch says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever, Team Jordan. And obviously Michael Jordan was arguably one of the greatest players of the basketball even. So most of the collegiate colorways get this patch. On the Air Jordan 6s, this will be typically the Air Jordan Jumpman logo, or it will be the Nike Air. But because with it being the collegiate colorway, you've got this patch instead. I can't think if there was another 6 collegiate colorway that came out, but all I can think about are those University Michigan 5s and the UNC 4s, and that patch was on the tongue, which is a bit weird, but whatever, that was Jordan Brand being weird. I can't really wait to try these on, show you what they look on feet, tell you how comfortable they are, etc. But before we roll that footage, just to show you the inner, it's all synthetic materials. It's foamy. There's no detailing on the website, and I can't really tell. It just says like it's a cell. Not sure what materials that's made up of. I know it's textiles, and the patterning that you can see on the insole is similar patterning to the tongue here as well. So all that said, let's roll that footage of me trying these on, and here we go. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size Jordan fit for these. Some people like to get a half size smaller just to make it more cushioned, not cushioned, more locked down and snug. However, I like them a bit loose. We have done other Air Jordan 6 reviews in the past. We've done the Travis Scott and we've done the black infrared, which are probably more iconic than these ones, unfortunately, when I'm naming a list of colorways for the Air Jordan 6s. However, they fit all the same. One thing I do want to mention is how difficult it was to put these sneakers on. I don't know if you saw from me putting them on my feet. Other than that, I do like to wear these not tied up, So if you saw again, I didn't tie these up. I just let the laces hang loose and I just tuck them inside because I got the lace lock right there to keep them in place. Other than that, these sneakers look dope. Typical UNC colorway that Jordan brand will always do. But who are we to complain? It's still fire and I'm ready for this. Probably won't play in these, but ready to wear these out in the summer. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.